Hotfix failed to log the file on VMware Error. It may happen that during power on, the virtual machine gives an error with respect to log the file failed. To prevent the concurrent changes to critical virtual machine files and file systems, VMware established logs on the files. In certain circumstances, these logs may not be released when the virtual machine is powered off. As such, the files cannot be accessed while locked, and the virtual machine fails to power on. To restore this, navigate to the location where this virtual machine is located. You can see this location by hovering over the name of the virtual machine, or just right-click on the virtual machine name and click on Open VM directory, which is right here. This will open the location of our virtual machine. In this location, we can see folders with dot extension. Delete or remove those dot folders, which is LCK. Delete these folders from the location. Now try powering on the virtual machine. Again, the virtual machine should start normally without any errors. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.